Well, this is for Piazza. I think that's how you say your name anyway. You'll know because you're the only one that wants to hear more of the slide guitar. So I've got me Texan hat out, and my daughter's over here from Texas at the moment. So I got my slide guitar, and we're going to do second version of this. The first was not that great. This might not be that. Anyway, it goes. I'm not going to apologize. This train is bound for glory. This train. Here we go, slowly, David, slowly. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. Don't carry no one but the righteous and the holy. This train is bound for glory. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train. This train don't carry no gamblers, liars, thieves, big shot ramblers. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train. This train don't carry no liars. This train. This train don't carry no liars. This train. This train don't carry no liars. She's streamlined in a midnight flyer. This train don't carry no liars. This train don't carry no smokers. This train don't carry no smokers. This train don't carry no smokers. Two-bit liars, midnight tokers. This train don't carry no smokers. This train don't carry no rustlers. This train don't carry no rustlers. This train don't carry no rustlers. Side street walkers, two-bit hustlers. This train don't carry no rustlers. This train. Last verse. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. Don't carry no but the righteous and the holy. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train. Last night when I was singing at Pentuan, a fella told me that my voice was deep like a toad. I shared my opinion of that fellow to his face. Thank you, fans. Thank you, fans. If you subscribe and all that sort of stuff, that's up to you. That's up to you. I am a vain man, though, as you can see by my sharp hair. See you all, fellas, around, please. Good night. Goodbye. Greta, how many times do I tell you not while I'm recording?